How's it going, everybody? Jonathan Montoya here with Passive Income Lifestyles. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make $100 your first day by simply watching videos. Guys, this is going to be a great way to make money online. The thing is, you got to watch till the end because I'm going to show you a strategy on how to make that first $100 a day with this strategy. Now, it's going to be probably something you might have seen before, but the strategy, is different because, people are just using one app or two apps. This is going to be 5 apps that's going to help you make that $100 a day by pretty much doing nothing, just watching videos. So I'm excited to bring this training to you guys to make you some money. But before we get started, guys, please subscribe to the channel. I teach you how to make money online, and I teach you affiliate marketing, stuff like that. So if you are interested, please subscribe to this channel. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So the first app that we're going to be looking at is called Viggle, okay? So with this app, you're going to be watching trailers, you're going to be watching videos, you're going to be watching advertisements, and you simply get paid by watching these videos. Now, this app is actually located, you can get it on the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, and you can download this app and start watching videos. Now, the cool thing is, as you're watching these videos, you're going to accumulate points. And when you accumulate these points, you can redeem them for gift cards. You can redeem them for like Amazon gift cards, Best Buy. Let me show you here. So here's some of the things you can redeem them for. A bunch of gift cards, and then it's basically you're earning points over time to be able to make money. And a lot of times you can also, I forgot to tell you, you can also redeem them for PayPal as well. So a lot of you guys like making money online and with PayPal. So doing something and then getting paid with PayPal. That's actually my favorite way. When I was first starting was, I wanted PayPal money to be able to invest in my business. So, I love that PayPal money, and this app lets you do it, okay? So make sure to watch, guys. This is just the first app. I'm going to show you how I'm going to implement all these apps to make that first $100 a day, okay? So the next one is called App Trailers, okay? So this app lets you pretty much do the same thing, but you can also, do some quizzes. You can do... you can watch videos. You're going to watch like trailers, pretty much trailers. And with those, you're going to get paid by watching a certain amount of trailers and, helping them, like, for example, name this logo, and it's going to help them. It's going to help businesses, with their marketing, stuff like that. So in doing that, they're going to pay you. They're going to pay you with PayPal or gift card, and you're going to accumulate points. Okay. So it's a great way to make money, guys, especially, for free. If you have extra time and you don't have money to invest in a business, this is a great way to do it. Now, let's go ahead and continue. I have 5 apps total. I'm going to show you how to pretty much make that first $100 a day, so stick with me. Also, guys, at the end, I'm going to show you how to make even more money passively, so stick to the end. I promise you I'm going to get to the good stuff in here in a little bit. Okay, so the next one, guys, is called Rewardable, okay? So this one lets you watch videos, but also taking surveys. So when you're watching these surveys, or when you're taking these surveys, you're actually going to get more points, but you can choose whether you want to watch videos, you want to take surveys, depending on you, how much time you have. Typically, people just like watching videos because they don't have to do anything. They could literally set their phone to the side and watch TV, or say you're watching Netflix, put on a video, let it play on the side. You're making your money, you're building your income. And, it's a great way, like I said, to start building that income. So this is the third app. This is also on the Google Play Store as well. This is actually one of my favorite ones. I actually used this a couple of years ago when I was really just trying to build my PayPal money, and I was trying to, I didn't have very much money to start a business. So this was a great way to start building, and by pretty much doing nothing. So sometimes I would just be driving. I would set a video, let it play while I was driving. So anyways, all right, number 4, guys, almost getting there. So number 4 is going to be called TV2. Okay, so this one also lets you watch and earn. The cool thing is you can actually earn Bitcoin money and cryptocurrency, stuff like that, if you are into that. And you can pretty much put that right in your Bitcoin wallet. As you can see here, get Bitcoin, get Ethereum. I was into Bitcoin pretty hardcore a couple years ago. I still do Bitcoin, but you don't have to redeem for Bitcoin. You could also do like PayPal. You can do gift cards, but basically you're watching videos and you're earning money. So very, very cool, guys. This is a great app as well, is the TV2. Okay, last one here, and I'm going to show you how to make that $100 your first day. The last one is called Swag Bucks, okay? This one's probably one of the most popular ones, especially for teenagers, because I think it pays out really good, for what you're doing. So Cool thing is you can redeem for like Amazon, Walmart, Macy's, Target, stuff like that, and you can pretty much get money back by already buying stuff you're already buying. So that's the cool thing about Swag Bucks. So it lets you also do daily polls, it lets you do surveys, but it also puts money back in your wallet just by buying certain things. So just by buying stuff you already buy, okay? So that's the cool thing. Now, the app strategy that we're going to be using is you're going to be downloading all these apps, okay? And what you're going to do is you're going to make a folder, okay? You're going to make a folder called, Make Money Online Apps, okay? And you're going to put that on your front screen of your phone, okay? And what you're going to do is you're going to watch, 3 videos from the first app. So you're going to watch 3 videos here. Then you're going to go to the next app. You're going to watch 3 videos here. You're going to go to Rewardable. You're going to do that. And basically what you're doing is you're accumulating income with the 5 different apps, not only one. So I think the problem here with some of these apps is you're just using one app and you're not making as much money. So what I recommend is making a folder, putting these apps in that folder, and you just go through it every single day, 3 to 5, 3 to 5, and you just keep accumulating that money. And you can either, like I said, put it to your PayPal, to your Bitcoin, but what you're doing is you're increasing your income, okay? That way, I mean, you can go and buy like a new laptop, a new phone, whatever. But what I recommend doing is building that income and putting it into a business so you can build passive income, okay? So obviously this is not passive income. You're actually having to sit there and watch the movies. Obviously you can, watch TV while you have your phone out there, but if you want to build that passive income, you have to put it into a course. You have to put it into a system that's going to pay you passively. And that's what I do. And that's what I do to make my money, which is called affiliate marketing. So that's a great way to, build that passive income, travel the world while you're still, we're pretty much doing nothing. So the reason why I make this video though is because I want you to make money. Yes, I do. But I want you to be able to get that money and put it into a system that's going to pay you passively. And that's what this YouTube channel is all about. So if we go to my channel, Passive Income Lifestyles, I teach you how to make money online, but passively. Okay, that's the most important thing about my YouTube channel is I teach you how to do this on a passive income basis. Because yes, it's okay to do these like apps and these surveyed websites that I teach, but you're gonna have to spend a lot of time in your trading time for money. And I know a lot of you that follow me on my YouTube, my Facebook, you want to know how to build passive income, and that's what I teach. So what I do is affiliate marketing. So if you go to the first link in the description, guys, I'm going to show you, that's going to be my #1 recommendation on how to start a business. It's literally like a $7 course is going to teach you how to build a passive income business. Now, I did just come out with a brand new course, guys. This is going to be my brand new affiliate marketing course. This is going to be the second link in the description. It's basically, this is my affiliate marketing course that I designed and created for you, absolutely free to get started. And I go through, it's about like maybe 5 hours of content in here. And I go through and I teach you how to start a business from scratch. Okay. This is the #2 link in the description. But if you just want to go ahead and just get started, the first link in the description is going to show you, the paid version, and that's going to show you how to get started quickly with affiliate marketing and starting to make that passive income. But anyways, guys, I hope this video was of value. But if you use my strategy on, getting these 5 apps and putting them in the folder and watching videos every day, you're going to make that $100 the first day and then the second day, and you can start making a lot of money with these apps. I promise you guys, because this is what I did when I first started. I did not have money to invest into a course or a program or on my online business. So I had to do stuff like this, and that's okay. If you do not have money, I always say there's no excuses, guys. You have the internet. You can trade time for money until you have enough money to invest into a system that's going to pay you passively. So hopefully that makes sense, guys. And that's why I create these videos. If you go to my channel, I create a ton of videos on how to make money online. Trading time for money, but using the internet, of course, because the internet is amazing. So I hope this video was of value to you, and let me know if you have any questions. Comment, subscribe, like this video, guys. It helps me grow on YouTube, and I'll talk to you soon.